Okay, have you ever wondered where you can get some icons for your project? Then this is the time that I will show you how you can get the icons. So go to Google, and then type the noun project. The noun project. So in this website, the nounproject.com, you will be able to find millions of icons that you can use in your project. So you can see all the icons that will be available for your project. Yeah, so you can just try to go. There is some categories here. If you need house plants, artificial intelligence, spring, and all the icons that you can be able to use in your project. So that's it. They have over 5 million icons. So for example, you can click on artificial intelligence. It will load icons related to artificial intelligence. You can all see, yeah. Then you can click the image that will fit in your project. Then you can copy the image. By then create an account. You can sign in with Google or with Facebook, and then you'll be able to download the images for free. Thank you. Keep track for more.